Hello, Kean University. I'm student meteorologist Steve Sosna, updating your KeanCast for the fall 2007 for the first time. Well, we have some nice weather to come. No real weather worries over the next few days. Weather is nice and quiet after a very active summer in terms of rainfall, and you'll see that on the headlines. We are looking at a very nice Labor Day holiday ahead, which is good news because the summer has been quite wet. We're also going to be keeping an eye on the tropics over the next few weeks as we hit the hurricane peak coming up in September. And also, we're going to recap the very saturated summer that we had across much of New Jersey. If you had a beach week, chances are that at least a few of those days it rained, as it was quite a wet summer. Now, we're looking to go back towards normal, and normal for this time of year is usually right around 80 degrees. So we're going to be hitting that probably for the next few days. You can see that on our normal high. Now, our normal low is quite comfortable, 65 degrees. So this is a very nice time of year, relatively speaking. Now, it can get quite hot. In early September, 1953, it was 105 degrees, and 10 years before that, back in 1950, we had a record low of 50 degrees and close to 3 inches of rain back in 1969. Well, luckily, no rain for the big holiday weekend. A lot of people have beach plans, wrapping up the last week of summer, and that's good news. And without tropical activity, that's also good news because that comes with our trivia question. The year with the most number of tropical storms, was it 2005, 2004, 1957, or 1983? I'll give you a hint. It was relatively recent, so we'll come back to that in just a second. Luckily, no tropical troubles as we speak. All right, now what we did have trouble was with rain back in June, 1.84 inches above the normal, and it got worse through July. We were over 2 inches above normal, and then finally in August, over 3.5 inches above the normal. We're ready for the rain to stop, and it has stopped. It seems like this last week of August is proving to be quite nice. Now, if you're heading down to the beaches for the holiday weekend, looking very nice. We start in the upper 70s on Saturday. We kiss 80 on Sunday, and then by Monday we're in the lower 80s and a nice light waves to deal with. We're talking only about 2 feet on the ocean, so that's nice and gentle on the body. Now, water temperatures very inviting. Belmar 72, all the way down the Parkway to Long Beach Island 73, and down in South Jersey near Ocean City, we're talking about water temperatures in the middle 70s, which is quite comfortable for this time of year. So go ahead and enjoy as we wrap up the last week of summer. Now back to the trivia question. We talked about the most number of tropical systems that came in 2005, an unprecedented year. We're talking 27 named storms, 15 hurricanes, and 4 Category 5 storms. Luckily, nothing like that this year yet, but we'll continue to watch it. This is a nice, pleasant scene, enjoying the summer in Ocean City, Maryland. I took this photograph myself. Looking out across the Chesapeake Bay, beautiful sunset, few high, wispy cirrus clouds. Just life is good in these types of shots, and hopefully we can recollect these when the stressful parts of the semester begin. So, we'll take you back, and we want to show you that you can access the 7-day KeanCast at hurry.kean.edu, tilde KeanCast, and you can get your 7-day forecast if you're not near your computer. You can access it daily because we update it daily. Just in case you're away from your computer, it's a great source of weather information. Also, so we can get new weather shots, we're going to be showing you that we can have KeanCast at kean.edu. You can show us your photos, your videos, any questions that you have. Feel free to email us and we'll email you back. And hopefully you can show your photo right here on KeanCast and be lucky enough to see that throughout the semester. So that's great news. Other great news, the beautiful weather we have to come. You'll be able to see in the 7-day forecast, just absolutely gorgeous. Thursday, we top it out near 90 degrees. Now that'll be the warmest day of the week. We're talking showers and thunderstorms possible Thursday night into the first half of Friday. Then I think Friday night right through the weekend is great. I'm talking outdoor plans. Anything that you need to do is good, from the city to the shore to the mountains. Just a classic Labor Day weekend. We're talking highs in the upper 70s on Saturday, lower 80s on Sunday, nighttime lows into the 60s, so quite comfortable. Monday, a mix of clouds and sunshine, not bad as well. Starting to get together for the semester on Tuesday and Wednesday, temperatures in the middle 80s, becoming quite uncomfortable, so you might need the fan and dorm room going to keep yourself cool, and overnight lows back to near 70 degrees. Now, if you notice, there's not a whole lot of rain through that forecast, which is excellent news as well. Well, I wish you a very successful semester. Keep it tuned here to KUTV and also KeanCast, and we'll bring you continuous weather updates.